Evans ready and will put animals in for inspection on behalf of.
Hindi pa sa hero. Di ko na exit. Uy.
Keep his arm out to the door.
Sabi wala tao.
As at least the way I've learned it.
Kasi yung total, oh, wala. Kailangan yung energy natin naka-out, okay? Okay,
Right, try natin yung wood rice. Alright, madami na sila.
Ay, meron silang bed. Yung manok niyo? Wala, out na siya. Or she said... Set is, are you ready? O, diba? Akala mo, Miss Universe? Ready, set, go!
On. SPF. On. Everything. On. SPF.
Maraming salamat, Ayana. Isang napakainit at napaka-electric na gabi ang ating lahat, mga kapamilya. Welcome once again to Summer for Real 2026, brought to you by Cinema One and ABS-CBN Events, happening right here on the beautiful island of Boracay. Ngayon, may question ako para sa inyo. Boracay, how are you? Isabel, Boracay, how are you? Ayan. Ganyan ha, ganyan yung energy na. Sigaw nyo. Paans, clear, lahat. O sige. Sino ang ready sumigaw, kiligin at maki-vibe sa ating mga kapamilya artists? Okay. At dahil dyan, Jessa, hindi muna Don Bell ang lalabas. Ngayon,
Is this your first time watching a show on the beach? Ako din. Dami natin first
Darren Garcia! Brother, grabe yung energy ng Boracay ngayon. How was that first live performance for you? And how was your first experience dito sa Summer for Real 2026?
My experience, this is my first time ever doing a show.
We have more performances here tonight. Ang tanong, are you ready for more? Ayan.
Parang may mas ilalakas pa po yan. Grabe, napakarami nyo. What's up, Boracay? Yan. Alam ng isang tao na ibahin mo ko sa milyong mata nila. Hindi, oo, pwede. May mga naririnig ako. Hindi na. Well, this song, sana ma-realize nyo na ang tunay na pagmamahal ay nandyan pa. Okay? Pagtapos man ang ibig man ay mapupos, patuloy na bubuk. Malinis, halos puro polusyon. Parang ako raw na konsumpsyon. Energy ng Don Bell. I feel like... Oh, okay. And dahil dyan, feel ko, since sobrang taas ng energy nila, Emilio, first things first, kagaya ng sinabi mo kanina, meron silang movie. Kailan ba i-release?
Mga kapamilya, nagsisimula pa lang tayo patungo sa wakas. Ihanda niyo ang mga sarili na masaktan at makarelate sa Tayo sa Wakas by the box office director Cathy Garcia Sampana, exclusively in cinemas starting May.
Our Gen Z love team, Donnie Pangilinan and
Bel Mariano! Kung wala kayong energy, kaya magingay!
sorry, mga kapamilya, feel ko kaya nyo pa. Okay? Handa na ba kayo para kay Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano?
Alright guys, let's welcome one of the most sought after actresses of our generation, our Gen Z superstar, Bel Mariano!
Sabayan niyo po ako! Are you ready to sing? Buha pa, pangako di ka lolokohin. Puso kong nagmamahal, kung ako ay papalarin, na ako iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang pipiliin, sundin mo lang ang iyong damdamin. Thank you everyone!
Once again, Boracay, let's give it up for Bel Mariano!
Oh my gosh. Belle, you look absolutely beautiful tonight.
naman.
I love the outfit.
Thank you.
Yes.
Ready.
Diba? Boracay ready si
Yes.
Belle. But before anything, Belle, I'm sure you have things that you want to say to all of your believers who are here. Go ahead.
You know
The new Gen Matinee Idol,
Donnie Pangilinan!
medyo sad yung song na kakantahin namin.
Diba, kakaiba?
Oo, kakaiba talaga.
Yes.
But I feel like Boracay loved it so much. Diba?
Our best para lang mabigay namin yung best na pwede namin ibigay sa pelikula na to. Yeah.
Pero, thank you so much, Donnie and Belle. Ngayon, Boracay, ito lang inaabangan nating lahat. This marks our first stop on our road to
ang next na mangyayari kung may teaser, baka may or trailer. Tignan natin. Pero sa ngayon, ito na po muna ibibigay natin sa inyo.
Alright, thank you so much everybody!
Okay, after our quick photo op with, of course, Don Bell or Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano and their Tayo sa Wakas poster.
Ma'am, dito na po tayo.
Okay.
Baka pwede na po tayo umupo.
Alright.
One more time, safety is our utmost priority dito po sa ating Summer for Real event. So, settle down because it is
Familia, let's all enjoy this movie responsibly. Taking photos or recording any part of the film is not allowed. In line with the Anti-Camcording Act.
Siyempre, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pinoy. On the way.
I'm Emilio Daz.
And my name is Ayana Perlas.
Good night, Kapamilya, and enjoy the movie. Manantay na tayo sa wakas.
Ano ba masasabi mo sa Inconvenient Love? Sa itong movie natin to?
Yes.
2022? 2023? 2022? Ang tagal na pala nito. 2023. Si Direk Peter Sen Vargas yung director namin dito. It's a movie about
The inconveniences of
isa po siyang feel-good film and maganda rin yung soundtrack na. Nandiyan yung Beanie, di ba? Yung Beanie. Oo, so huwag muna tayong umuwi. So enjoy po kayo. Have a great movie night. Enjoy!
BG by the
Grabe na wala na ako
MTRCB.
Don Bell, Moringaner show.